Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for a serious disease known as giant cell arteritis. Now what is this? Giant cell arteritis is also known as cranial arteritis or temporal arteritis. Now this is a medical condition involving inflammation in the arteries situated in the temple area. This leads to pain and tenderness in the temple area where the hardened arteries can be felt or palpated. Now the associated symptoms include pain and tenderness in the jaw and near the eyes and muscular pains elsewhere in the body. Now cranial arteritis is a serious condition since it can involve loss of eyesight if the condition is not treated properly. Now elderly women are usually more susceptible to this disease. Now the modern management of giant cell arteritis or temporal arteritis involves the use of steroids to reduce the inflammation within the arteries. While steroids promptly reduce the inflammation and pain, in most affected individuals, these medicines need to be continued permanently or on a long-term basis, which is not usually desirable because of the side effects of steroids. Now, in most instances, the inflammation recurs after the steroids have been stopped. So, what is the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for this? Ayurvedic herbal treatment is especially useful in the treatment of giant cell arteritis or temporal arteritis. These medicines reduce the inflammation within the arteries promptly, while the pain within the arteries as well as in the surrounding areas also subsides quickly. In addition, treatment with Ayurvedic herbal medicines also prevents recurrence of the disease. An important advantage of Ayurvedic herbal medicines is that it can prevent complications like blindness. This is because Ayurvedic medicines treat inflammation and prevent blockage of the arteries. Now, this treatment consists usually of oral medication, and in most patients this treatment suffices. But if the patient is not responding satisfactorily and quickly, then other treatments can be added to this. For example, localized treatment in the form of application of local oils. Then sometimes leech therapy can be used. And in addition to that, we can give some oral snehan, medicated ghee can be asked to be consumed. And in addition, other treatments like purgation, mild purgation, which is known as virechan, that also can be used. So combination of oral medication, local application and possibly panchakarma treatment modalities can be used for those patients who are not responding only to the oral medication. So in this way almost all patients can be cured completely, but it may take some time. So Ayurvedic herbal treatment is therefore very effective in the treatment and cure of giant cell arteritis or temporal arteritis. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for giant cell arteritis. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.